You are exactly where you need to be. All these life circumstances, all these things that you're going through, that's exactly what you're supposed to be experiencing. Imagine coming to Earth and not having a reason to do anything, right? How do you grow if there's no obstacles, there's no challenges, there's nothing to really even look forward to? What is the purpose of being here? That's why when things are feeling overwhelming, things are just not going your way, know that that is exactly where you need to be. That's exactly how growth happens. Imagine watching a movie where things just continue going well over and over and over again, and there's no conflict, there's nothing that goes on. What's the point of that? Would you even enjoy that movie? Think of your life like that movie. This movie that you're watching, this movie that you're enjoying, this is your life. And it's important to keep in mind that you are exactly where you need to be. Of course, you want to keep in mind that if you don't like where you want to be, that's okay too. Just figure out what you want to change. Figure out why you're going through what you're going through right now. Figure out what type of life you want to live. By figuring out where you are, where you want to be, you could figure out a way to bridge that gap. The problem is when you're unconscious and you're satisfied, you're okay with where you are, that's exactly what you're going to get. That's what the universe is going to deliver to you. So know that everything is part of the process, right? You know you're here. The end, or in this circumstance, typically our bodies die. So we know that's where it's going. So there's no need to really be stressing about anything. Yes, we could take detours, but in reality, our bodies can die, our souls are eternal. We can come back, we can reincarnate, we could relive this if we choose to. Nothing's the end of the world. The whole point is just for us to really enjoy and appreciate the challenges so we can grow as souls, as humans, as just these beautiful light beings that we are. So next time that you're looking down or you're realizing, hey, I didn't get that job, I didn't pass that exam, I'm not in that relationship which I want to be in, that's okay, because you're exactly where you need to be. It's because of things like that that will help you transform into the person that you want to become. So relax, take a deep breath with me. And exhale. And remember, you're exactly where you need to be.